how to fix Steam error code E84. I'm going to tell you how to fix Steam error code E84. This error usually shows up when Steam blocks your login after too many failed attempts or if something's interfering with the connection. First, restart your PC and your Wi-Fi router. Just a basic reset can fix it fast. Then, open Steam and make sure it's updated to the latest version. If it's still not working, try disabling your firewall or antivirus temporarily. They might be blocking Steam. Don't forget to turn them back on after though. Still not working? Try changing your Steam password or logging in through a browser instead of the app. You can also check if Steam is down by searching Steam server status online. And if you're getting blocked from your current network, switching to mobile data or a different network might help.